G'day guys, Fishing Australia here. Today you're probably wondering what the hell is going on. We're in the middle of nowhere. But yes, so from last video, the fishing out the east coast was pretty average. So I thought today, instead of waking up, fishing the east coast, being disappointed again, then come back, I thought I'll get up early, come down to some random little creek that I am here today, which it does not look bad. And we've got the car and the boat just on the road as I'm down here into this beautiful little creek. So anyway, I just got a little hard body on, but anyway, I'll get right into it and hopefully we can whip up one or two nice little Salmo Truta brown trout to show you off today and still have a car and a boat at the end of the day. Righto, wish us luck. Righto guys, so before we get into this video, we may catch some fish, you never know. I'd just like to thank All Goods Launceston for sponsoring this video as well as my other one. All Goods Launceston helped me out with gear and getting out my videos, so hopefully I think you guys should go over there and buy something from them to help them continue to help me. Let's get right into the fishing. Right. Oh, fish on it. Come on, eat it. Eat it, eat it. I'm just gonna pause it. Oh, god damn it, he wanted it. Oh, look at him bow waving up there. There's so many fish in this pool. So one tip I can give you guys about fishing in small streams like this is if it's a sunny day like this, you've actually got to be stealthy. Like, because as you can see, I've got a shadow. So the sun's out, I've got a shadow. So if I was just to stand up and absolutely floor it, and absolutely floor it through here, then that's not really ideal, dropping leaves on the water. But yeah, if I was to stand up and just absolutely stomp through this water and cast fully standing up, I'd have no chance of catching fish. So, oh, there's another one up there. Right, let's get in there. That's the one, that's cast. Oh, fish on it. Come on, eat the damn thing. Oh, I caught a stick. I caught a stick when there was about 2 trout following it. This is a joke. Oh, oh. He just whacked it off the surface. Oh my god. My lure like had a hook tangled, so it was just spinning on the surface and he just whacked it. Oh my god. No, I was actually onto him. Oh my god. There we go, finally, we got one on. Come here. Now I don't have a landing net, so this is gonna be difficult. Come on. There we go, guys. Finally, we've done it. We've pulled up to a random creek. We've thrown our lures and we have produced the target fish. What a beautiful specimen of fish right there. Right guys, so the lure just came out like that. Beautiful little fish there. And off like that he goes. Now he's swimming against the river and he's just sitting there. Phew.
Yeah, so that arrow points to a snake that I nearly stepped on. That's not really ideal.
Holy holy oh no way did I actually record that. I was just recording some B-roll. I'm getting out of there. I was just recording some B-roll of me walking, and then a snake just said hello. Oh, you gotta be careful, guys. That's just proof. It is what, January, February, March, April now, and they're still about. They don't care. They're still gonna be about. Oh, that's a bit nerve-wracking. But anyway, good start, good news. Triton and boat is still there, so we are still mobile. But apart from that, good little session. Never knew that creek had trout in it. Stopped in, threw a little lure, just one lure, taken down one rod, just simplest fishing you can do, and we got onto one and we dropped a lot more. So at least I know that's worth coming back to sometime when I don't have a boat on and I'm going to be worried about it every second. But yeah, so anyway, in we hop and go to the next spot, I guess. Righto guys, spot number 2 where we ditched the vehicle and hopefully come back with a vehicle still here is just a little bit of a large river. This one's actually called the Nile River, I'm pretty sure, I think. And yeah, so I'm gonna tie on a hard body, I don't know. I'll throw it on and I'll get down in there and hopefully we can catch another troutie and tick off the 2 spots. Phew. Get out of that. Oh, fish on it. Oh God. Well, there you have it. This river has our favourite fish, gigantic redfin perch. Oh God. Oh guys, pretty disappointing there. Not much about. Didn't really fish much, like 20 minutes max, but yeah, just a little redfin. So in we up and on to the next stop. So hopefully we can bag a trout out of this next one. Ew. No thank you. That is usually rapids and that is like a metre deep. That'll do me. So anyway, the little creek river, larger river mission is complete. One trout caught, but it's a very cool little adventure away and getting worried about leaving the boat on the main road. But apart from that guys, that's going to finish it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, something completely different. Not much fish, good. Not much fish, but I mean, just exploring new waterways and getting out there, which is all you got to do, and you enjoy yourself doing it. But anyway, I'm gonna throw this rod back in with all my other broken off, untangled rods. Yeah, that's not nice. I cannot wait to get home and unpack that. But anyway, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Like I just said, wow, I'm getting sloppy. Don't leave me, don't leave me.